Good morning, honors chemistry students. I hope you guys are doing all right. Hopefully you have not been affected by the COVID-19 and that you're doing well, staying healthy, and somewhat enjoying your time off and away from school. However, please stay disciplined. My expectations for each and every one of you is that you are doing what is assigned for the day. It's going to require a little bit of effort on your behalf. You're going to have to be disciplined, that you're going to have to stay on task. It's going to be difficult for me to make sure that 120 of you are doing what you should be doing. You are an honors chemistry student, which means that you're a good student. You may not believe it, but you wouldn't be in here if you weren't. So please don't stay up until 2 a.m. playing video games and then sleep until noon. That's me on my soapbox right now. All right, so what my expectations are is each and every day, whenever we have something to do, I expect to see the work that you are doing. So you already have the packet or you have the information for the packet for this unit. So on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we are still finishing this unit that we've been working on. You'll notice that some of you actually like using Google Classroom, and that's fine, the Google Docs. I have changed the way that you can actually view the document. So if you click on the document, it won't bring up the document automatically, but it will make a copy for you. This is actually pretty easy because what that's going to allow you to do is to make a copy. You can do changes to it. You can write on it. You can make it into a PDF. You can use Kami, K-A-M-I, that has colored, different colored pens and markers and highlighters. It's a pretty cool app that you can write on and then save it and then submit it to me. Many of you already have been doing writing on PDF files, which is great. I expect you to continue doing that. So here's my expectation. Stay on task. I want to see work from you each and every day. I don't care what time you do the chemistry. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea for you to get into a routine where if you were in first period chemistry, get up by 9 o'clock, do chemistry, and then whatever your next class was, do that next class, and so on and so forth. That'll help you to develop a routine. It won't keep you up until like 3 in the morning. Obviously, you're not going to be taking any major assessments while you're away. That's why if you look on March 18th, it says a final Unit 12 assessment. What I'll probably do is make up some questions, send you a document. I'll have you complete that document, and then you'll submit it back to me. And I'll grade it based on accuracy, and we'll put a score in. Now that'll probably be worth quiz points, not test points. You won't earn any test points while you are away. All right, so once we finish with this unit, I was planning on going to obviously Unit 13, but Unit 13 is a little more involved, so I'm going to wait until we get back. So I'm actually going to do, hang on here, let's get out of that. I'm going to use the unit where we actually have at the end of the year, which is a little easier. It's called Nuclear Chemistry. Nuclear Chemistry sounds intimidating, but it is not. So this will actually take you all the way up to spring break. So I have a lecture for the first 4 days, and then you have some review before the final assessment on that. If you plan on leaving for spring break somewhere ahead of time, please let me know so I can send you this final assessment so you can complete that before you leave for spring break. What I don't want any of you to do is to wait until after spring break to start turning stuff in, hoping for the best and things like that. Stay on task. Be diligent. You are not taking an online class. There's a big difference with an online class and you being in school, so to speak. We are not an e-learning school. We are learning remotely. So even though I don't have face-to-face contact with you, you can email me, but I'm trying to keep the material so it's somewhat easy for you so you can complete it. So I will be sending emails each day explaining my expectation for the day, and yes, I want you to complete the work, take a picture of it, or send me a PDF of it. You have your Chromebooks. Utilize the Chromebooks. It's probably a lot easier for you to do it digitally than to print it out and use your paper and ink at home. I don't want you printing things out if you don't have to. So please stay on task. If you have any questions, please email me. I'll be in the building most days. I believe that the school's only requiring us to be in the building on Monday, which would be today when you actually watch this video. But I plan on coming into the school building every day so that I can get questions answered and check things in a very reasonable manner. Now, I will be in the building from probably 7 until 3 every day. Please don't sleep in until noon, 1 o'clock, and then start your day. That's going to drive you crazy. It's going to drive your teachers crazy. And yes, the administration is checking to see that you are actually doing work. So you need to be disciplined. That is the biggest thing I can say. Discipline. You are honors chemistry students, so step up, show them how it's done. All right. Look for emails each and every day. Bye, guys.